Before we start, we'll be starting our welcoming remarks.
To officially open our celebration, let us welcome the leader of our association, our chairman, a driving force behind FDBI's growth and unity. Please give a warm round of applause to Chairman Daddy Tamayo for his welcoming remarks!
Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating President, Mr. Daddy Tamayo.
Thank you, Jamie. Thank you. Magandang lalaki po ako. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to our annual Thanksgiving banquet. The one night of the year or one afternoon of the year that no one gets a gutter ball. Wala pong nakakanag. Where no one gets a gutter ball unless... Sorry, wala ako dun. But this is the day or this is the event that we are also waiting for, the culmination of our activities. Tonight, we celebrate everything that makes our bowling community amazing. The strikes, the spares, the dramatic slow motion, misses, and of course, the friendly competition that sometimes become slightly friendly when the standings come out. But that's all part of the game. Pag nakikita natin na lumalabas ng statistics ni Halvi, nakita natin kung ilan kakailanganin natin. But that's all part of the game. To our players, to all of you, thank you for giving your best every game. Even on the days when the ball has had a mind of its own, may sariling utak yung mga bola natin. To our officers, the previous board of trustees and the current ones, to our volunteers, to our supporters, and to all our ever-strong ladies of FDBA, thank you for keeping our event smoother than a perfectly rolled strike. And to everyone who still insists they almost had it, we believe you, and we really do. This afternoon until tonight is about good food, good laughs, great company. So relax, enjoy, and let's make memories, preferably ones we can talk about again next year. Welcome to the FDBA Thanksgiving Banquet. Let's have an amazing night. No shadow bowling, no warm-ups needed. Let's party!
Thank you, Chairman Daddy! And now, to give us a quick overview of what awaits us, from the highlights of tonight's program to the recognitions, games, raffles, and fellowship, please welcome our Executive Vice President, Miss
Sacharon.
Yay!
Thank you. Good afternoon to our officers, members, guests, and our FBBA family. It's an honor to stand before you tonight as your Executive Vice President. Although I've been serving in this position just for 2 months, I've been proud to be a member of this association for 2 wonderful years. So I've seen firsthand what makes FDBA special. It's teamwork, passion, friendship, and shared love for the sport we all enjoy. As EVP, I've had the privilege of being the wingman of our ever-loved Nadi President, supporting wherever I'm needed, helping turn ideas into action, and working closely with our dedicated officers and members. For this year's annual banquet committee, I was entrusted with leading this preparation. And on behalf of the team, I'm happy to share what we have in store for everyone tonight. First, we have a professional photographer who will be with us for 4 full hours, capturing unlimited moments throughout the evening. Best of all, you won't have to wait to see the memories. Your photos will be printed right away there, giving you instant keepsakes of tonight's celebration. So, only picture po tayo for 4 hours. And you can request for extra copies as long as you want. Okay? Next, get ready for parlor games and dancing for everyone, which we missed last year. Tonight isn't just about awards and programs. It's about letting loose, having fun, sharing laughter, and creating memories together as one FDBA family. We've also prepared a special ABB presentation featuring photos of our events and activities from January to present. This will be our chance to look back and relive the moments that we made this year meaningful. Ay, maingay kay Jana. The victories, the friendship, and all fun in between. So, a big highlight of our evening also is recognizing the achievements of our monthly winners. So, this year we expanded our awards because we believe excellence deserves to be celebrated more widely. Our monthly champions will receive trophies. Our first runners-up will also be awarded trophies. And our second through fourth runners-up will receive each plaque of achievements. Every competitor who steps up, improves, and shows sportsmanship plays a part in strengthening our association. And tonight, we honor that dedication to everyone. As the year draws to a close, let me share just a short message po. FDBA is more than a bowling association for me. It's a community for us. Every strike, every spare, every challenge, and every cheer remind us that success is not only measured by winning, but by supporting each other, growing together, enjoying the journey side by side. So as we move forward into a new year, may we carry the same spirit of unity, sportsmanship, and positivity. Let us continue to lift each other, chase our goals with passion, and build even stronger bonds within the wonderful organization. And lastly, thank you all for being here today, for your continued support and making Fairview Dragon Bowlers Association a place we are proud to call our second home. Enjoy the evening, everyone. The games, the dancing, the celebration tonight is all for you. And good evening, and let the festivities begin. Thank you.
Okay, so naman po palakpakan naman po natin ang ating Vice President, the beautiful Miss Sachawan. So again, ang gagawin po natin ngayon, what we're gonna be doing tonight or this afternoon, we will be acknowledging the presence, of course, of our members and participants for tonight's gathering. So, ang gagawin po natin,
As we call your group, okay, and per table, make a cheer or wave your hands, please. Okay? Alternate tayo alternate
Hey,
po. Sana
pagalingan po ito,
po tayo ng wave. Ganun mga ganon. Yan. Pero po may energy tayo, okay? Taasan po natin yung energy natin this afternoon. Okay. Sige.
okay,
Natawagin natin per table po. May number po yung tables nyo.
para maramdaman natin yung kinain natin mga kanina. Okay?
Per table.
Per table po ito, okay?
Energy up!
Ready na po ba tayo?
Energy up. Yan.
Okay?
Mamaya bibigyan natin ng prize kasi yung pinakamalaking malakas na cheer. Okay po ba yun? Tita Seth, okay ba yun? Okay, game. Let's do it. Okay.
Okay.
Table.
Table number 1. Gusto namin marinig ang inyong clap and wave. Hey, medyo malakas na. Nag-manifest na yung kakanin sa tiyan. Okay, now, what about table number 2?
Lumalaban, palaban. Okay. Paano naman kaya? Ano dito? very good photo man. Okay. Next.
Ano naman? Anong number naman? Table number 3. Okay, gising.
How about table number 6?
Pwede pa, pwede. What about table number 5?
May pagtayo.
Gising na gising.
How about table number 7?
7! Yun o! Yun, sinama pa pati yung ano, nangyari kayo. And what about table number 8?
Say hi to the camera.
Pinagkasundot.
How about table number 9?
Table number 9. Yung table 9.
Ay, kami pala yun.
Kami table number 9. Kami pala yun.
Kami pala yan. Okay. How about table number
10! Table number 10. Kaya tayo na, tayo sa kabila. Walang table
Wala
number 10.
pang laman. Okay.
Wala pa.
Sige. About table number 11!
Nangyari ka, pinakita kayo sa mga.
Patay.
Ay tayo dyan.
About
Table number 12. Magpapatalo ba ang table number 13? Ay.
great job, guys! Thank you so much for participating. Okay. Now, we now take a moment to look back at the year that was. Our tournaments, milestones, achievements, and the community we have built together.
So please direct your attention to the screen as we present our audio-visual presentation, FDBAA 2025, a look back, and prepared by Mr. MJ Barros. Okay? Panoorin po natin.
Baba mo. Picture kami.
Pasensya na po. Wait lang po.
Wait lang po, na-delay yung bayad. Joke lang po. Let's wait for the video. Teka lang. Yan, so habang naghihintay po tayo, pwede po tayong kumuha ng kakanin doon. Then, mga 1 hour pa po tayo makakapag-oral. Joke lang po, pinag-prepare lang po natin.
Let's settle down po muna sa ating mga chairs while we're waiting for the AV.
Okay. Kindly wait, we're just fixing the video.
Okay. So, before that, sige, pasensya na po. Switch muna tayo. Bago natin panoorin yung mga nakagaan, pag-uusapan naman po muna natin yung kinabukasan. Okay. So, we're going to call our chairman again, once again, Mr. Nani Tamayo, for the presentation of our year-end plans.
Yan.
For
So
the
let's clap
future.
our hands again sa ating President.
Hello, magandang tanghali po uli, hapon. Sana huwag kayong magsasawa sa pagsasalita ko sa harap. Okay, there's some technical difficulties in terms of the readiness of the file for our ABB for looking back memories. So we start first with our year-long plans and program for the association. This is what you expect, no? Of course, this is not limited to what will be presented here. If there are ideas that you think good for the association, please feel free to approach any of the BOD. Okay? Next slide, please. Okay, so we started in October. In October, we had these activities that we have completed. The Board of Trustees taking happened of that month. Then we also have the renewal of our membership. We started on that month. And we also launched the Member Get Member program. As of today, I think we have reached about 81 membership, both renewal and also new members. No? So we're really growing, and we hope that those who haven't renewed the membership, they can do it today or maybe next year, January starting. No? So just approach our membership committee. And then we also completed our major tournament, the MCJ Big Four Cup. And then lastly, our usual Quadro League tournament finals happened on that month. Okay? So all of those we have accomplished for the month of October. Next slide, please. Come November, which is just last month, we did a reclassification of the bowlers class. No? So some of the players moved from class A to B, B to C, so we had that. Then we started drafting of teaming mechanics. So you will be asking, what is this all about? No? Later on, our tournament, not today, but watch out for the chat group. There will be some announcement when it comes to the drafting. This is one of the major changes that we're going to do next year. The teaming will be via drafting. Details of it will be posted in our chat group by our tournament committee. Then we also started the bowling stats and trivia and FAQs. So if you notice, there are some trivia posting made by Halby. Thank you, Halby, for that. For you to appreciate how do we compute for handicaps, di ba? Oh. So we have that, no? How do we classify? So all of those, this is a long program, no? So that you have an appreciation in terms of some of the statistics related items. No? Thank you for that, the Statistics Committee. We also completed our monthly tournament, the Pangmasahe Cup, no? Sponsored by our Bongbong Agustin, and then completed also our Trio League tournament finals. All of these activities have already checked as we have accomplished all of this for the month of November. So, come December, so next slide please. Come December, we have just recently concluded our Tournament of Champions. So thank you for those who won the Tournament of Champions. Later on, we will also acknowledge them and give them the respective rewards. Well, the cash prizes were already given pala, the plaques nila. And here we are today, the annual Thanksgiving banquet. So, it will be a short December. However, there are some announcements that we're going to provide in the latter part of December, particularly on our teaming. So expect that. Next slide, please. Hey, come January, we're working out on our GCash and EasyPay Cash access. No? So we will work that out. So yung mga gustong magbayad ng GCash sa atin, come tournament, pwede na natin gawin yan. Not on January, no? In-initiate na natin yan with our EasyPay contact person. We will just need to make some arrangements kasi marami pang requirements na kailangan sa group. And then we will conduct a monthly tournament finals. And we will launch or start the youth training programs under our head for training, Nato Agayati. So we start that by January. Okay? Next slide please. Come February. So this is a special month. So it's a Valentine's month. We will have a doubles team event, a Valentine Fun Games. Okay? So, yung mga couples, yung mga be ready for that. No? This is a Valentine. But the details of it definitely will be posted na lang by our tournament committee. And then, our monthly tournament finals. By the way, this doesn't include our regular fun games, ha? And of course, our open participation. I haven't touched that, but separate yun, yung discussion na yan. Okay? Next, come March. March, we will have our FDBA Anniversary Fun Games. I think this is where the month FDBA was established, so we will have that. And our usual monthly tournament. Now, come March, we will have our first quarter major tournament. So again, watch out for that major tournament that we will conducting come first quarter. Next, come April, we will be launching our FDBA IDs. So what is this all about? Dami na nating ID. We will try to work out that, some privileges if you have an FDBA ID. No, maybe in some of the small shops or stalls in SM. But that is the plan. We will work that out. Everyone will have an FDBA ID that you can use. Okay. Next, we'll have our first half report come April. Just to give you where we are in terms of the association. How are we going so far come April? We will have that as a first half reporting and the usual monthly tournament. Okay? Na-excite na ba? O baka may kulang? Let us know, ha? Okay, come next slide please. Come May, we will have friendship games with other bowling clubs. No? So this is just an idea wherein some of our players or we will form teams and then we will compete with other bowling clubs muna. No? Doon muna natin subukan. Maybe ever or someone from Playdium or we will work that out, no? To have that friendship games with other bowling clubs. And then, again, the usual, our staple monthly tournament. This will happen in May. Okay? Next slide, please. Come June. So, this is already second quarter. So, we will have our second quarter major tournament. And then, one of the things that we will do by next year is we plan to do a outreach program. You know? We haven't planned it out in terms of the details, but we will have this as part of our commitment also, not just to play, but also to give to the others. No? So we'll have an outreach program come June 9. Okay? And again, our staple, our monthly tournament. Alright, so next slide please. July, we will have a basic life saving training. So this is just, might be wondering bakit nasa latter part, dapat nasa unahan. Kasi it depends on the availability of the trainer. Kasi I'm trying to work that out for free. No, for the, and that will have a certification as well. Okay, so we work that out. We know how critical basic life saving, even just the typical ang tawag doon, CPR, no? Okay? And then, our monthly tournament for the month of July. Next slide, please. Come August, so we will not do friendship game just once. We will have it twice, no? We'll have it in August. Another friendship game with other bowling club. The idea behind is like home and away. We will go to the, let's say if it's Ever, we go to Ever, and then the other tournament, they will go to Fairview naman. So, ganun yung plan. Okay? And then, our monthly tournament. Then, come September, our last month. So, for our last month, the usual, since it's the handover of the throne, or we'll do our BOT election, and then the General Assembly, wherein we will do our full year accomplishment report. In time with that, we will also conduct our third quarterly major tournament. And then the monthly tournament. Okay? So, and then of course, October is the new set of the Board of Trustees. So, that is our plan for the whole year 2026. So, I hope that you get excited in terms of our activities. And again, if you have other activities that you want na masama, then feel free to approach any of the DOT so we can talk about it during our meeting. Okay? I hope, again, you get excited and hopefully you all support all of these plans that we have. So again, thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Chairman Daddy Tamayo. Now,
Okay, so I think we're ready na po para panoorin natin ang simple video. Okay?
okay,
Okay, medyo niluluto pa din po yung video natin. So let's proceed sa another part of our program. So this time, we'll be calling on ating
At this point, we'd like to honor and recognize the partners who make our tournaments and events possible. Month after month, sponsors support our bowlers, strengthen our programs, and help us grow as a community. To share our sponsorship lineup for the year and the exciting partnerships we look forward to, please welcome our business manager, Sir Andy Gudyaman, for the presentation of our sponsorship.
palakpakan naman po natin ang ating
May ano din siya? May business plan.
Okay, good afternoon sa ating lahat at sana po ay pakinggan nyo ang aking sasabihin although na ito ay magkakaroon po tayo ng pilitan dito. Being your active business manager, kailangan ko rin ang tulong ninyo. Hindi ko pwedeng gawin ito mag-isa, kundi tayong lahat pagtulungan po natin. Okay, as usual, we have the leagues and tournaments. We have the Tuesday League, we have the Thursday Bowling League, and we have the fun games embedded in the league games, and sponsored monthly tournaments. And then the last one is the sponsored quarterly major tournaments. As usual, the Tuesday and Thursday leagues, ganun pa rin siguro gagawin natin, pero depende na po sa mahawak ng tournament committee. Ang entry fee natin ay kung magkano man, I suggest to the board na supportan pa rin natin yung 100% subsidized. Meaning, kung ang entry mo ay 5,000, magbibigay ang association ng 5,000. Nakikiusap po ako sa ating tournament, ang ating association na pagbigyan pa rin tayo ng ganong kagandang subsidization ng ating entry fee. And as usual, for system, I introduced this one last year, yung kung mayroon kang point na napanalunan, may money value ang point na yun. So dati kasi ang ginagawa ng karamihan na mga asosasyon ay yung top teams lang, alam mo, walo yung naglaro, nag-compete sa team. 4 lang po ang nabibigyan ng award, including the money value or ang kapirahan na pwedeng makuha sa entry fees. The fun games is embedded during the league days. Winners ratio is 1:6. Yung 6 na maglalaro, isa pong panalo dapat doon. Yun ang recommendation, yun ang dating ginagawa. I hope the present tournament committee ay ano pa rin nila yun, gagawin pa rin nila yun. Pero nasa kanila yun kung papalitan nila o hindi. Ito ay ginagawa na kasi natin dati. Monthly tournaments every last Thursday of the month. Tanggalin na po natin yung qualification. Napag-usapan namin sa sa board meeting nung nakaraan na hindi na yung every Thursday and Tuesday ay magkakaroon ng qualifying. Isang araw na lang po ang gagawin po natin. Yung quarterly tournaments ay magkakaroon pa rin ng qualifying every league days. Team leagues, Tuesday and Thursday, Tuesday and Thursday. 10 teams needed at least. 10 or pwede naman 8 na lang, pero mas maganda sana kung maparami natin. Double round robin as usual, but as I said, depende po sa tournament committee. Ang TRR natin ay gagawin pa rin ng tournament committee. So, pakibasa na lang po yung note doon na sila pa rin ang mayroon silang tinatawag na drafting o something o sa pamimili ng team members. Nasa kanila po kung anong gagawin nila. Special fun games, one-day event, singles and blind doubles. Rekomendasyon ko lang to, hindi ko dinidiktahan ng tournament committee. Merong red pin kunwari, disco moonlight, no tap, 7 no tap, 8 no tap, or 9 no tap. Nasa kanila po. Every special tournaments ay kikita tayo ng at least 3,500. Kung 10 yung gagawin nila, meron tayong masisave na 35,000 sa ating sa loob ng ating panunungkulan. Monthly tournaments. Maghanap po tayo ng sponsors. Maaaring pwedeng individual sponsor or mag-asawa. Group sponsorship, 2, 3, o 4. Medyo mabigat din kasi itong ating ginagawa dati na 10,000, medyo mabigat sa bulsa ng katulad ko na hindi naman kumikita na. So, ang naisip kong paraan dito ay gagawin na lang natin in groups, 3, 4, depende kung sinong magbo-volunteer. Other option is birthday celebrants for the specific month. So, pwede pagsama-sama yung mga birthday celebrants at saka league team sponsorship kung sino yung team na pwede mag-sponsor. At kung kung medyo sanay naman tayo sa pilitan, pwede ko namang i-assign na lang kung gusto nyo. Isan ko na lang kung sino yung mag-sponsor buwan na yun. At ay ibibigay na gantimpala hindi naman gantimpala, yung plaque of appreciation, ibibigay sa mga sponsors at saka complementary jackets. Okay, isang naisip ko ngayon ay maghanap na tayo ng sponsors, monthly sponsors for January until September. Bakit until September? Ang sakop lang ng ating team, ang ating BOT ngayon ay from October to September. So hanggang September lang kami. O tayo, para dyan lang muna planuin natin. So papayag ba kayo na ang suggestion ko kasi dito ay dapat ang mag-sponsor o ang magbibigay ng sponsorship, it must be coming from within the association. Kung po pwede, sabi ko nga kanina, pwedeng 3, 4, or yung mga may birthday, o pwede yung team, kung sino yung nakasan sa team na yun. Pero ang isa-suggest ko ngayon ay pwede ba gawin nating per table? Halimbawa, yung table 1, table 2, pag-combine natin, sponsor na nila dyan money. Okay ba sa inyo yun? Ha? Umpisa natin. Hindi, teka mo na ganito. Asan si Bing? Bing! Hindi, ganito. Ito, ano na lang to, yung magbigay tayo ng magandang ano gusto niyo, birthday o ano?
Sa major sponsor, tatlo kami. Si Kuya Nestor. Ako na nga eh. Parang sunod-sunod na. Kuya Nilo at saka ako.
Major sponsor. Huwag niyo na isama ito sa major sponsor natin ilalagay.
Suggestion po yung sa akin. Dahil meron ng isang group, so meron tayo isang month, so we're looking for only for 8 sponsors, 8 other sponsors. Bago po tayo mag-assign by table, I suggest na baka may mga willing po muna. Kaya mo natin, maybe there are willing sponsors. Bago magkakaroon tayo, baka may willing sponsors.
Kung sino yung gusto mag-sponsor ng isa lang, bakit kailangan magdalawa o tatlo? Di ba?
Sige, I think, sorry, I have to step in lang. I have to step in. Sige, the suggestion here is kung merong may gusto, willing naman, hindi naman kailangan per table, willing naman, then feel free to volunteer. Okay, so the volunteering is open for those who want to sponsor a particular month.
Okay, ganito gawin natin. Ang unahin natin muna, yung willing mag-sponsor ng January. Bigay po yung pangalan kung sinong mag-volunteer.
So, Kuya Ati, there's a question now. Magkano po ba ang sponsorship for month?
Ang per month, 12,000.
Ang major po, magkano po?
Ang major natin, gawin natin huwag naman yung katulad ng dati dahil medyo mataas ng yung 50,000, medyo maraming umaaral.
Sige po, ano?
Atras kagad, 30,000.
Okay? So, ulitin ko lang po, ang major natin is 30,000, ang monthly natin is 12,000. Okay? So, we will pause for 5 minutes for you to think about it. Okay lang po ba? Para hindi naman pag-isipan nila. And then we will resume the discussion about the sponsorship. So for those who want to join for the sponsorship, feel free to discuss it now.
Asan ba si Secretary Bing? Bing, pakikuha mo yung mga mag-sponsor para
Recorded naman.
kukunin mo yung mga pangalan kung sino. Okay, bigyan natin ng 4 minutes na lang, pag-isipan natin. Kasi as I said, sponsorship should come from within. Hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas kasi tayo rin naman ini-entertain. Kung mag-entertain ka ng January, libre ka na hanggang September. Maglalaro ka na lang. So, yun po ang gusto natin ipa-egotic sa mga members natin.
Tatlo kayo, major, o bawat isang major.
Okay, dun muna tayo sa monthly, ha?
Kasi,
Okay na tayo? Okay na tayo? Alright. Sinong bubulitin sa January? January po tayo.
Okay. Siguro Kuya Andy, pwede tayong hindi na mag-month. Kung sino po yung may gusto ng month na kunin nila sponsorship,
Correct.
be it ng dalawa kayo, tatlo kayo, apat kayo, kung kukunin niyo po yung month, sino po ang mga may birthday ng mga particular month, pwede nilang kunin na sponsor. So, unahan na lang po kung sino yung may gusto na mag-sponsor.
Okay,
Dali, magsasalita daw si Kuya Ariel.
Last was now the June kasi busy ako. So, para sigurado, hindi ko nangyari ako na.
January,
Okay,
first yung
everybody
Ariel
just for January.
Oh, babayaran na daw ngayon.
Alright,
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Sarado na.
January, Ariel Simbulan will be the sponsor.
Ariel Simboran is the sponsor for January. Okay, hanggat maaari, i-ano nyo na. I-lista nyo na para wala nang ano.
Okay, take note na dito.
Okay. May bumulong sa akin yung February, kukunin na nila. Miss Daisy Domingo, Miss Ben Kujamat, and mayroon akong isang i-recommend ng member darating pa lang sa February. So, kanila na hinggan na ng February.
Okay, thank you very much, Ate Deng, the Daisy, and the Anonymous pa.
Anonymous. So, March. Sino pong kukuha ng March?
May nag-phone in, Kuya Andy. April month is taken, courtesy of Kuya Pete. April, thank you.
Okay.
April, so, okay, so, wala pa.
O, March tayo. Sino yung kukuha ng March?
Okay, natutuwa ako pag may lumalapit eh.
May, Mr. Nilo Gret. Yes,
Alright, May.
Nawala ang May.
Okay.
May May dyan ha, may May ha. Wala lang sa presentation pero may May dyan. April, June kagad eh. May May dyan pa yan. Wala yung May.
O, sino ba ang please come forward. Engineer Hill, nasaan ka? Ba't hindi ka tumikibo? Engineer Hill. Okay. O, sino ba? Mayroon na tayo.
Kami kasi walang pagkakayabang.
Okay, may lumapit ko naman. For September, Nato, Bernard,
Agayate,
and
Bernard. Sino ba?
Nestor, for
Nestor.
September.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Wala pa, August wala pa, no?
Okay.
August, meron na.
We have commitment here for March, a major tournament by Burley and Marlon. Lead the group daw si Ate Curly, si Marlon lang daw. Pero that's a major tournament, first quarter.
Yes.
And then, for August, will be June Baliao. And then second quarter, major tournament, Nilo, Nes, and Nato. Wow, thank you, Marky, at saka Major.
Ano ka lang, ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko kanina. Kung tatlo kayo, yung 30,000, kung kailangan nyo ng jacket, dagdag kayo ng magkano ba yung 1,000? 1,000 ba, Mr. Market? 1,000. Magdagdag kayo ng 1,000 each para makakuha kayo ng jacket. Ha? Kailangan nyo yun. You must be proud of FPBA.
So, we are missing the month of March, June, and July. The President leave the group. Okay. Ano tayo? Ano bang meron ng March, June, July?
Ano?
Oh, sige, March.
March na. Bebe ko?
Baby Cup, March.
Ano pang kulang dyan?
June, July.
June, July na lang. Dalawa na lang po. Pakinggan po yung ating presidente. Nakikiusap kami na kumpletuhin natin to para matapos na. Para wala tayong alalahanin. Hanggang September tayo, hindi natin sasakupin yung October, November. Sino ba? Ayun daw, Mendoza.
June.
Oh, June.
Thank you.
Paano yung mga tuwasong? Ayaw ng babae, pero gusto na lalaki. Paano yan? Ay, okay lang. Hindi naman to, alam mo naman yung sitwasyon mo eh.
I-volunteer natin. Volunteer, July.
O sige, ilagay nyo na dyan si Harold Lisip. Kung gusto nyo, meron kaming utang sa kanya, babayaran na namin para hindi na siya Ayun o, baka mademanda naman kami. Sino pa? Sa major tournament, isa pa na. Dalawa na, no? Ganito ang gawin natin. Paano kaya kung yung mga lahat ng ladies, sponsoran nila yung last major tournament? Lahat ng ladies. Yung nagparatrato kanila dito, ang dami nila.
Except for those na nag-volunteer na kaya.
Ha?
Except for those na nag-volunteer na.
Ano naman yun sa akin? Kasi sanay naman ako sa pilitan. Pinilit ko nga misis ko, napakasal sa akin eh. Pilitin natin. Ilan na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Puro models yan. Sabi ko nga, hindi, babae muna. Ladies first eh. Hindi pa dami, seniors daw. Buti na lang, bata pa isip ko. Ayun. Magandang idea. Top 5 sa annual ng A Group 1 sa top 5 ng Group 2. Okay ba sa inyo yan? Kwanto lang yan, mga baba. Okay lang. Okay, top 5. Top 5 ng Group 1 sa top 5 ng Group 2. Yung last quarter. Ilang pa?
ano na ang napag-usapan?
We still missing month of July. Isa na lang po for the month of July. Baka meron po dyan. Mga magkakatropa, baka gusto magsama-sama para makabuo tayo.
Month of July, yung mga paros daw.
Maros family for the month of July! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you so much. Okay, I think kumpleto na tayo, Kuya Andy.
Okay, ang hirap tong ginawa niyo sa akin. Dahil mo ang pinalitan ko si Marlon. By the way, ang kasama ko pala sa committee na ito ay si Marlon Mercado at si Harold Isin. Salamat sa kanilang dalawa at tinutulungan ako sa pag-organize ito. Hopefully, maging successful tayo sa mga ating palaro sa mga susunod na buwan starting January.
Okay, just to recap po in terms of the assignment ng ating sponsorship. First of all, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-volunteer. And of course, this is not just, for the benefit of all the members. And we really want to extend our appreciation for you sponsoring our events. For the month of January, we have Ariel Simbulan. For February, Deng and Daisy. Okay, changes. Major. Okay. Mas gusto namin yun, Kuya Ed. Okay, so wala na yung... It's not. And then, so we're missing the month of June. Okay, there's a change po of sponsorship. Yung month of June na supposedly kay Kuya Ed at Ate Ethel, they will be sponsoring a major tournament which will be on the second quarter. Okay, second quarter. So, yung June po na kinuha nila kanina ay magiging bakante. So, meron pa po tayong isang buwan. Yung June, sino po may gusto?
Okay, isang slot ng monthly, June. Sino pong pwedeng gumawa? Bakit tayo table dito?
Yung tropa dun sa baka
Isa na lang para matapos na. Katulad yan ay
June po, pwede po magbuo ng 12 para hindi masyadong
si BPR ni kaya. Kantaran na wala siya. Isang buwan na lang, 12,000. Kung apat kayo, tig 3,000 kayo. Sabi ko nga, laruin natin, paligayan natin ang ating sarili. So, magbigay ka at makinabang ka ng 7 months. 8 months naman na tayo eh.
Mga bagets.
Ha?
Mga bagets. Mga bagets na willing.
O, yung mga bagis daw.
Bumubuo na nga eh.
O, yun, okay na. Pakikuha yung pangalan nila dito. Pakikuha yung pangalan.
Anong gusto niyong ipangalan?
Bagets.
D.
Mamaya, atras ko na naman.
Okay. So sige, kumpleto na po tayo. Recap lang natin our sponsorship. January, Ariel Simbulan. February, Deng, Daisy, and another person. For March, Nati, Ses, and Bing. For April, Kuya Pig, for April, May, Nato, Nilo and Zeri for May. Okay? And then for June, the group of me. And July, the Barros family. August, courtesy of June Baliao. September, Nilo, Nato, Bernard, and Nestor. Okay? Now for the major. Our first quarter major tournament. Thank you for Ate Curly and Kuya Marlon. Marlon lang pala. For the second quarter, it will be Kuya Ed and Ed lang din daw. And then for the third quarter, Nato, Nes, and Nilo. That completes our sponsorship. So, mission accomplished.
Okay, salamat. Palakpakan natin yung mga nag-sponsor. Okay, salamat sa inyo sa mga nag-sponsor. Ay kung mayroong kayong gustong itanong, pwede nyo itanong na ngayon. Wala na kayong tatanong? Ay, baka magbando rin. Sige, salamat sa inyong lahat, sa mga nag-volunteers. Palakpakan naman na rin ang ating sarili.
Thank you so much, sponsors! Okay, now we move. Okay, wait lang. And now it's raffle time!
Yan, babawi tayo sa mga sponsor.
Papakita natin sa screen. Ating siguro tawag dyan.
Online waleta.
Online waleta. Nandyan po ang pangalan ng bawat isa na maaaring manalo ng
Washing machine.
raffle prizes.
Oven toaster.
Hindi, joke lang.
TV with refrigerator.
Batran, stop na rin.
Excited naman tayo sa paraffol?
Woo! Yan.
Wow, kung sumama loob din yung kayo mag-sponsor Joke lang po.
Thank
Okay.
you so much po, sponsor.
Thank you so much sa mga nag-sponsor ng ating next year event.
Yung APP natin, papanoogin na lang po natin siya mamayang dinner.
Yes.
Kasi niluluto pa po. Pero raffle time po muna tayo. Ayan ang ating mahintang koleta. Nababasa kanya. Okay.
Grabe.
Yes.
Kita niyo po ba yung pangalan niyo dyan? Eh, ako na lang lalapit pangalan. Okay.
Okay, sige. Unang mananalo po ng FDMA payo. Okay.
Umbrella, okay.
Sino kaya ang papala na mananalo ng payo?
Hold on. Noel Aguinaldo! Nabuha si Lisa Noel Aguinaldo. Mag-uwi ka ng umbrella with oven
Pakita
toaster.
ko kay Tita Ses. Ay, dito si
Pakita
Madam
mo
Tita
po.
Ses. Para
Kay
may
Tita Ses.
picture.
Doon na, doon para ano.
Next! Ang next naman po, mananalo ng pamasahe gift certificate.
Ang massage. Sino? Tita Cora!
Oy,
Bakit
magkasama.
dalawa?
Sige. Magkasama na sila. Sige.
Okay, Cora
Okay.
and Miss Lelet Barros, magkasama.
Okay. Miss Cora Pakibot and Miss Lelet Barros.
Yan.
It's okay.
Yan po ang self-service massage.
Tig-isa po sila dito. Okay.
Okay, next.
Next po payong ulit.
Umbrella naman po from FDBA. Sino kaya mag-uwi ng payong? Mr. June Sobehana!
Sobehano! Okay.
Ayan, buhay na po ang payong nyo doon. Get your umbrella.
Next.
Okay.
Next po. Next. For the certificate again. Yan. Thank you, Kuya Brian. Nakaready na. Yes.
Kuya.
Thank you so much. Sino kaya mananalo pang massage?
Tita Minyang Santa Maria.
Woo! Nanay Nina.
Cruella. That will be Miss Marigan Arguelles.
Okay! Malaki yung payo natin yan.
Okay, next.
Okay, go. Let's go po. Tuloy-tuloy po ang ating surround roll. Next, give
MJ Baron.
Okay, pang-massage.
Okay.
Kuya Bongbong, check mo kung mapupunta ba yan sa masahe.
Blanco. Walang nanalo.
Next.
Okay, ulit po.
Lang. Isa pa. Tayong ulit. Alternate tayo.
Oy, Miss Gloria Tuazon.
Okay! Okay po. Next certificate po. Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang. Pagbitin lang natin.
Yun. Mr.
Bing Adriano!
Adriano. Ayan.
Okay. Okay. Tayo natin.
Mr. Ed Mendoza.
Okay!
Ano po, boy? Non-stop fire.
Congrats, Tita Ed, for the payong. Okay.
Miss Kate La Cuesta.
Tita Ed, pang-massage. Gift
Sakto.
certificate. Okay.
Next,
Mamaya po sa raffle draw, marami tayo.
Miss Penny Valiao.
Okay, Tita Penny Valiao. Ay, ikaw na kumuha dito. June.
Ay, congratulations.
Nasa labas, may call lang. Ayan na siya.
Next is Miss Lani Artango.
Miss Lalier Tango. Oh, there you are. Okay po, congratulations.
Congratulations po. Claim your prize. Pang-massage. Next, Mr. Victor Vivo.
Vidamo!
Vidamo.
Sige, Tita Seth. Wala si Tito Victor?
Ay, may call.
May call. Ibigay na lang, Mark. Bigay mo na lang kay Tito Victor.
Next one, that will be Mr. Andy Gujama.
Woohoo! Pang-massage! Gift certificate.
Okay.
Okay po, tuloy-tuloy.
Mr. Mark Logoy.
Oh, tayo! Mr. Mark.
Grabe naman talaga. Napayong pa. Oy, Royce Antonio.
Okay, Royce,
Later prize,
congratulations!
Royce.
Pang-massage!
Pang-massage, yan o. Next one,
Okay, last three.
Miss Denko Jaman naman.
Good
again.
yaman! Okay, payong, Nanay Den!
Hindi, kuha ka ng payo. Next,
Kasi wala silang
Tito July. Hawigan. Andino po ba siya? Wala na.
Ayun, Tito July!
Ayun pala, nandiyan.
Okay, pang-massage, gift certificate.
Next.
And last payong!
Last
Sino
payo,
kaya?
Miss Michelle Valiao. Oy. Ayun.
Okay! Congratulations! Mamaya po, meron pa rin po tayong gift certificates worth of 500 na pwede mapanalunan mamaya. Okay! May nag-donate ng payong. Okay po. So now, we move on to one of the most exciting parts of our program, honoring the teamwork, dedication, and sportsmanship of our league teams.
These bowlers have shown not only skill but also unity and true spirit of FDBAI competition. So today, we celebrate their hard work and the results they earned this year.
For this awarding, the prizes for our teams are as follows. The champion will receive a trophy along with gold medals. The first runner-up will receive gold medals as well.
The second runner-up will also receive gold medals, and the third runner-up will receive silver medals. Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga...
Okay, simula po tayo sa Quadro D3. Okay. We will be calling the third runner-up all the way to the champion. As your team is announced, please come forward for a quick awarding and a short photo-op. Congratulations in advance to all the winning teams. Okay, pag tinawag po, punta po dito per group po, mabilisan. Okay, simulan po natin.
So let's begin.
Third runner-up ng Quadro League. Congratulations! Best Cafe Green! Tayo po lahat ng Best Cafe Green.
Best Cafe Green.
Yes,
Third runner-up sa ating Quadro League.
they will receive bronze medal.
Bronze medals.
Okay, please come forward. Best Cafe Green.
Kulang sila. Pakikuha na lang po yung ibang
Please come forward.
sige po.
They're gonna get 8 bronze medals. Okay. Next po. Okay. Okay.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang team Best Cafe Green. Congratulations po.
Next po, second runner.
Walang iba. Hindi pagkilig sa mga kape. Coffee Lovers!
Yay! Please come forward sa mga kasama po. Sa ano po to? Quadro League.
Yes.
Okay. Iba po yung sa trayo,
This
iba
would
po
be
yung sa
8
quadro.
silver medals. Hi guys, go down. Go down guys.
Okay, settle po tayo para sa quick photo of Team Coffee Lovers. Baba daw po, baba daw po.
Welcome po sa kabila.
Yan.
Congratulations to Coffee Lovers. Congratulations.
First runner-up, Fearless Dragons! Please come forward, Fearless Dragons. You're going to get a medal.
Parang kasi kung ano ba? Camera, naka-camera.
Fearless Dragon, nasan po ba kayo? Come here po, Fearless Dragon. Huwag po kayong matakot.
Ay!
First runner-up. Okay.
Kompleto.
Kompleto po sila.
Galing naman ang Fearless Dragon.
Congratulations. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating Fearless Dragon sa first runner-up. They get first runner-up.
Compress ako, compress.
Congratulations. Okay, ito na. And the champion
Na mag-uwi ng trophies and 18 gold medals.
sa ating Quadro League this year. Let's clap our hands. Walang iba. Sa Best Cafe